None of your friends have clear blood, right? But in the chilly waters of Antarctica, there's a fish that does. Meet the icefish. Unlike us, their blood doesn't have any red blood cells. This means no red color. Instead, their blood is clear and colorless. But why? It's because icefish live in super cold water that's full of oxygen. They can absorb oxygen directly through their skin and gills, so no need for red blood cells carrying oxygen. Isn't that wild? Being different helps icefish survive in their icy home. Remember, being unique can be your superpower too.